This is a product that is a USB Type A to a magnetic USB Type C micro and lightning cable. And we simply just place on the tips. On the table is the lightning tip. And that's what it looks like. It rotates 90 degrees in one and 90 degrees in the other. And then you could adjust this any angle you want. I have here hooked up on a GoPro, the same as that cable, and a longer lead. I'm going to turn my GoPro on to see if this will transmit to the computer. It is just a charging cable only. Now I'm able to go out and charge my GoPro. And there it is. You see a nice blue light. My GoPro can be turned on and charged and used without acknowledging to the files. If I don't want to use it, I pull it out. How am I going to get this one out with the tool? So certain things this may or may not be good for. Well, I'm going to have to do my best to remove it. Shouldn't be too hard. And there it is. Comes out. But on the proper product, like so, you take the tool, you get underneath it. Don't lose these things. They will go all over the place. And you want to place one in, you simply just align it up. Snap it in, take the tool, and you are charging. You get 3 long cables and 1 short cable. The cable is about 6 feet long. Again, you get a micro, you get a USB-C, and you get a lightning. You're given Velcro straps, and of course we have a user's manual how to use these. These are not transferable with data, transmit and receive. They are just charging cables. I hope this product may be right for you.